Does auto owner's insurance cover rental cars? Auto owner's insurance generally extends your personal auto policy to rental vehicles, ensuring coverage for collisions, liability, and damage. However, specific conditions and endorsements may apply depending on your policy and location. If you have comprehensive and collision coverage, it typically carries over to rental cars. But additional endorsements can provide further protection. Coverage extension. Auto owner's insurance usually covers rental cars the same way it does your personal vehicle, provided the rental is within the covered territory. If you have liability, comprehensive, or collision coverage, these protections typically extend to the rental car. Endorsements for rental cars. Auto owners offers optional endorsements to enhance rental car coverage. Rented automobile replacement. Covers the cost of replacing a totaled rental vehicle. Loss of use. Rental fee reimbursement. Pays for rental fees if the vehicle is damaged. Rental gap coverage. Protects against the diminished value of a rental car after an accident. Limitations and exclusions. While coverage generally applies, certain scenarios may require additional insurance. Business rentals. Coverage may not extend to vehicles rented for business use. International rentals. Policies may not cover vehicles rented outside of the covered territory. Luxury or specialty vehicles. High-end or specialty rentals may require separate insurance. Auto owner's insurance provides solid protection for rental cars, but checking your policy details and speaking with an agent ensures you have the right coverage for your trip. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to auto owner's insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.